Hello, and welcome to English for Learners, a channel where you listen to interesting everyday conversations between fun characters. After each conversation, we break down key terms to help you understand and remember new vocabulary. Once you've listened, try role playing the scenes yourself. Speaking aloud is the fastest way to boost your English skills and confidence. So let's begin. In today's episode, we have Lily and Sophie chatting about their hair. Lily is thinking about cutting her hair short, while Sophie loves her long locks. Let's see what they have to say.
Hey, Sophie. I've been thinking about cutting my hair short. What do you think?
Really? I love your long hair. Why do you want to cut it?
It takes forever to wash and dry. Plus, I think short hair would be easier to manage.
That's true, but long hair is so versatile. You can braid it, curl it, or wear it up.
Yeah, but short hair looks so fresh and stylish. I'm ready for a change.
I get that. Maybe I'll try even shorter hair too one day. But for now, I'm sticking with my shoulder cut.
Let's see who changes first.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation between Lily and Sophie. In this conversation, Lily and Sophie are discussing different hairstyles, and there are some words that might need a little explaining. First, Lily mentions cutting her hair short. When someone says they want to cut their hair short, it means they want to reduce the length, often for easier maintenance or a new style. Sophie loves Lily's long hair because it's versatile. Versatile means it can be styled in many different ways. For example, Sophie says you can curl long hair. This means using tools like a curling iron to create waves or ringlets. You can also braid it. This is when you weave strands of hair together to create a plait. Lastly, she talks about wearing it up. This refers to styles where the hair is gathered and tied or pinned, like in a ponytail or a bun. Here are some uses of the word versatile in sentences. As a versatile athlete, he excels in multiple sports, including soccer, basketball, and swimming. Or, this dress is versatile. I can wear it to a party or to work.
Thanks for joining us on English for Learners. I hope you enjoyed the fun dialogue. If you did, be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's keep the conversations going.